Hey guys, happy Saturday. First day of the homeschool vlog for this week. The Munchkin is super happy about doing her responsibilities. And I'm starting breakfast for the family. We're actually gonna do like a brunch because we have a birthday party this afternoon. So what I'm doing, I don't know if you can see that, I'm browning some turkey sausage. I'm gonna cut in half a block of cream cheese just to make it creamier. I already have diced up potatoes going in the air fryer to make it crunchy. And then I'm gonna scramble up some eggs. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw it all in a crock pot on low, because I'm not trying to cook it. I'm just trying to keep it nice, warm, and gooey. That way, and then I'm gonna put a cup of cheddar cheese in there. Just kidding. A half a cup of cheddar cheese in there. And so that way, whenever, because it's Saturday, so whenever the family is ready to eat, they can come and serve themselves, and it's always gonna be warm to where someone's not, getting a piping hot breakfast and the other person is heating it up in the microwave. So just a little tip for you for your either Saturday or Sunday like brunches. That's a very easy way to keep everyone happy at the same time without everyone having to come to the table and eat at the same time. Good morning. It is Monday morning, about 6 o'clock. We just dropped Brett off at work. So Saturday, we went to a friend's birthday party. It was a lot of fun. We ended up just doing some family stuff when we got home. I actually tore my calf muscle. So I started Tabata last week, and I noticed Friday I was pretty sore, but just, I worked out, so I'm going to be sore. And then Saturday, just randomly as I'm walking, like I heard a pop, and then I could not walk very well. All of Saturday and most of yesterday. Hi, kid. It was not fun. So having said all that, I kind of just come home and had a little bit of a lazy day, cleaned a little bit. I did prep school for the week, but lots of like lounge time and kind of taking it easy. Yesterday we were in church most of the day. Brett and I decided we're going to do a coffee bar for our Sunday school class. So I'm excited about that. I will drop my Amazon cart right after this to show you guys, just the supplies that I guess you would need. But we're excited. We've done this before and we have most of the stuff, but we did order yesterday some different syrups and another frothing can and stuff like that. So just to make it a little easier on us. And of course, like all the cups and things. Head over to amazon.com/store/helping hearts homeschooler to see our favorites. And then we had choir and kids choir, and then we came home. I stayed up a little bit last night and checked in on some of the ads I had posted on Saturday. And then I went to sleep. And then we just dropped Brett off at work this morning because I'm getting my hair done. It desperately needs done. It's a few months overdue. It's like 6 to 8 weeks overdue, I guess. And Gloria's going to get hers done and hopefully get some hair chalk put in. No. Oh, I guess she doesn't want hair chalk. She did yesterday. Hair chalk. Kids, I don't know. They change their mind every 5 seconds. So we're going to do that today. Gloria just did her phonics on the way home because we do car school if we're going to be in the car for a little bit. And yeah, I'm going to go inside, write out my schedule for the day, and then get started on some things. Okay, so majority of my house is clean. The part that's going to get clean. Dinner is in the oven, so it'll be made before we leave to get the hair done. Because as soon as I'm done with that, I'm picking up my husband, so that way he'll have food when he gets home. My lunch is already made and my dinner. I did zucchini lasagna zucchini rolls. I was pleasantly surprised with these. The recipe is linked down in the description box. And then I also tried a fun little like charcuterie board for kids for my daughter's snacks as well as lunch today. So I'll show you guys a picture of that. Very, very easy way to get your kids eating healthy. So I'm going to sit down. I have a few people that have been asking me just how to make money from home like I do. So there's 3 of them ready to get started today. So I've got a little bit of training that I'm going to get them started on. And then Gloria's got a little bit of school to do. Today is really our day off. I'm just having her do a few worksheets. So high. A few worksheets to get a little bit of head on the week. And then I probably will check in on the ads I posted yesterday before we head off to the appointment. Okay guys, I've had the laziest day ever. So I don't think we showed you, but Gloria did school during our hair appointment yesterday because my hair is very long. I take a vitamin to make it grow, which is awesome, except when I have to go get it done. It typically takes anywhere from 4 to 6 hours to get mine done, and then it takes about 45 minutes for Glory's. I color mine. She just obviously gets like a cut every time that we go. But so she sat and she did all of her schoolwork while we were there, came and asked questions, that kind of stuff. It's a little like privately owned salon, so they have no problem with her bringing her school in. And like my stylist is literally the best that I have found, and I've looked at a lot of stylists and visited a lot of them over the years. So I've been going to her for a couple of years now, and I love it. So anyways, the only problem with how I get my hair done, because I do dark and then light, like I do a balayage, is when they put the dye in, well, the bleach, I guess, specifically, they have to tease each section, like each little tiny section, before they put the foil on and before they put the dye on. So it's very hard to comb out. And I am prone to migraines. So by the end, my head was starting to hurt. By the time I got home, it was hurting pretty bad. I did have a leadership call that I hopped on last night. I work from home. Those of you that follow me know that. If you don't, and you want to work from home, you can fill out the application in the bio. We are hiring 6 more people for August. If you're not interested, that's fine. Just kidding, 5 more, because we had 1 yesterday. So, but there's an application down there. And then, so anyways, I did that because I'd already committed to it. And then I pretty much went straight to bed. I slept till 8 this morning. I got up. I laid in bed for an hour. Then I finally got up. We've not done any school yet. Glory's playing with the neighbor kid because she's actually home. She's playing with in the sprinkler and like enjoying one of the last few days of summer probably. Hopefully not. Maybe hopefully we have another month or so of warm, but we live in Indiana, so it's a crapshoot. So yeah, pretty much from 8 to 1, didn't do much of anything. I did go make myself a breve, so I'm drinking that. I just sat down and got an hour of work done. And I'm gonna get and clean my house and start making dinner because it's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So not super productive, but this is real life, guys. That's why I do these little vlogs for you, is to show you what a real life homeschooling looks like. It's not always what Instagram portrays. So as much as I am about schedule, I'm more so about routine. One of the things I've been doing, because focusing on nutrition is a huge like goal of mine. It has been for a little bit now. So one of the things I do is as soon as I get up, I take my vitamins, and then I go ahead and I make basically a charcuterie board for Glory, whatever it is. And I make breakfast. That way her breakfast and lunch are already set. These have been a huge hit with Glory. I make them up, I stick them in our fridge. We have a nice pull-out drawer at the bottom. She loves being able to have full access to them anytime she wants. Basically, the rule is when the food's gone, you're not eating anymore. So it also helps her to control what she's eating and when she's eating. So you can use anything on this. As you can see, we have crackers, fruits, spreads, peanut butters, cheeses, nuts, and even on this one, we had leftovers from the night before. So literally, you can put anything on here that you want your little one to eat that's healthy. And then I prep dinner, because usually by the time dinner rolls around, I don't really want to cook. So I prep dinner, and then I go ahead and make my lunch and my dinner, which is usually a variation of my husband's dinner. And then Glory kind of fits somewhere in between there usually, depending on what we're eating. So I just did that. Now I'm going to hop in the shower. It's Wednesday, so it is hair washing day. And then I will write out the rest of my schedule for the day, and then we'll start on school. Okay, so I figured I would share this with y'all because it's funny. Say hi, Glory. So on Wednesdays, a lot of the time, this is what homeschooling ends up looking like for us. She has done her independent stuff. And then I'm sitting down. I'm about to fix this mop of a hair. And we're doing test prep and critical thinking, because what those two subjects are usually me reading her a question and her either filling in a test bubble, she has her book, or just answering the question aloud for critical thinking. And then Spanish is usually me role-playing with her. Me usually saying English and her saying it in Spanish. So that we end up most often than not on Wednesdays doing it. She gets to snuggle up in my bed and I sit, my closet is just one giant full-length mirror. So I sit and I do my hair while she is, repeating back and forth with me for those 3 subjects. Hey guys, it is Thursday. She is doing some spelling this morning. Not morning, it's almost 1, but she's doing spelling. She actually got up last night while I was working and wanted to do school, so she got a head start on school last night, which means she got to play this morning and had a much later start than normal. This is one flexibility of homeschooling. If she wants to get a head start the night before, I absolutely let her, as long as she has good attitude and she's putting in her best work. I am writing out my schedule for the rest of the day. We have quite a bit of school to do today, like fun school and different projects and stuff that we're going to be starting. And yeah, she likes projects. But first, I'm actually hopping on a leadership Zoom real quick with my team. We're going to just sit and work together for about 45 minutes. And then I'm going to do some journaling, then hop on that, and then we will kind of see where the rest of the day takes us. I have green chili pork stew in the crock pot. It smells amazing. So dinner will be ready when my husband gets home. The house is already all nice and cleaned. So the rest of the day is just work and school and fun. On Thursday afternoon, everything was caught up, so we just sat and played Xbox for about 30 minutes and enjoyed each other's company, and she also won more than I care to admit. Good morning, guys. It is about 11 on Friday. We just got our groceries delivered, so Glory put those away. Other than the stuff that is not, she doesn't put the fridge stuff, she puts the fridge stuff away. I usually put the rest of the stuff away. Right now, she is actually playing. What you doing? Can you show them how it works? Oh, your hands are in the way. Very cool. So it's actually one of our beach toys, but she's having some fun playing with it this morning. So yesterday we got a lot of school done. We ended the day with a craft, which she loves doing crafts, so we love crafting together. Both crafts are from the same company. Each box has a different theme. So the first craft that she did, she got to make a crown, and then she got to make some little finger puppets and have her own Princess and the Dragon puppet show. And then we watched a couple shows while I ordered groceries and planned out the menu for the rest of the week. We eat a lot of fresh food, so I typically only order 2 to 3 days at a time. And yeah, then this morning we're getting a very amazing, just relaxed start. I am journaling and drinking my coffee and reading my Bible, and I've got a couple of books that I'm diving into. She has already done one craft this morning. Guys, I don't know if you've heard of, I think it's called... Timberdoodle? No, Timberdoodle is a homeschool company. We use them too. Toucan Box. I will leave you my code and everything on the next slide and just kind of show you what our craft was. But they do cute little craft boxes, and they are just really, really amazing. And you can get, I don't know if you can get a free box or like a really cheap box by using my code. I don't honestly remember, but if you want to check out my code and see if you want to get one for your littles, they just honestly make crafting so much less hassle. I have a love-hate relationship with crafting. I love doing it. I don't like hunting down all the supplies and like then you extras of things that you're not actually going to use, and I don't enjoy that. So I like the preset box that we can sit down and craft together. So today we are making a beehive with a cute little bee. This is from Timberdoodle. I'm going to drop my code in here. If you guys want to use it, you can get either a free box or a really cheap box. I don't remember. And then we'll let you know what the finished product looks like. But I love Timberdoodle because it includes all the pieces. You don't need hot glue guns or anything like that. The most I've ever had to do is grab a pair of scissors. And then it's pretty self-led and the directions are very easy. Use this code for half off your first box at toucanbox.com. Look how cute her little beehive turned out. Very cute. When I finish doing my Bible, I'm going to write out my schedule for the rest of the week. I've got to check in on some abs that I posted yesterday. We're going to do, all she really has today is like a spelling test and a little bit of reading. And then we have a couple art projects to do for science and for history this afternoon. Brett came home a little bit earlier than we had planned, so we did not get the science project done, but we did get the history project done. We're pretty pleased with her main board. All of our second grade curriculum is also linked at our Amazon shop. Hey guys, it's Saturday night, so I just wanted to pop on. I realized that this vlog was not super exciting. Most of the time, like, our week is not super exciting. We're a typical homeschool family. We do have a lot of fun together, but it's just normal everyday family stuff. So I wanted to say that because I know a lot of you guys watch me and watch these vlogs simply because you want to make extra money from home and you just feel like your life is not glamorous enough, I guess, to like vlog and, you know, have people follow you on Instagram and that kind of stuff. So I just wanted to be transparent because our life is not glamorous whatsoever. I am in a lopsided bun right now. So yeah, anyways, but I appreciate all of y'all that tune into this vlog every other week, I guess. And the ones that send me encouraging messages. Actually, I'm going to put up the one that I got. Shout out to this girl for sending me this. I don't want to show her info on here because I didn't ask, but it's stuff like this that really encourages me. So I very much appreciate getting this message yesterday.
Just want to say thank you again. This means the world to me.
And I will, with all of that said, have an awesome week, guys, and I'll see you guys in 2 more weeks.